As the saying goes, a picture's worth 1,000 words. And in this Skill Builder video, I'm going to show you how to add pictures to a Microsoft Word document. The same process is used to add them to an Excel worksheet or a PowerPoint presentation, as well as to add them to messages, say, that you're sending from Outlook. Here I am in a Word document, and I want to add a photograph just for some visual interest. I'll go to the Insert tab, and I'll click the Picture button. Before doing that, however, make sure your cursor is on the page where you want the picture inserted. And here it is at the end of the first paragraph. I'll click the Picture button, and then it's going to take me to the folder where I last found a picture. All you would need to do is navigate to whichever folder you know your picture is stored in. I'm going to choose the picture and click Insert. And here it is. Now the picture comes in at the size that it was captured, whether on a digital camera or if you downloaded it from the web. And all you have to do is go to a corner handle and drag inward, and the picture is reduced. To make the text wrap around it, because as you can see now it's splitting the paragraph, all I have to do is click on the picture, go to the Picture Tools Format tab, and choose Wrap Text Square. Now the text wraps in a square shape around the photo, and I can reposition the photo like so. As I resize it, if I choose to, the text wraps again to accommodate the picture at its new size. So inserting pictures is really simple, and then making them work within your text is even easier.